So good afternoon, my grade 7 students. Okay, before we start our discussion, may I call on Mr. Janrick to lead us the short prayer. Janrick, thank you for that wonderful prayer. Now may I call on Miss Secretary to check the attendance of this class. Thank you, Miss Secretary. We move on to our objectives for today. So our objectives is identify the different musical instruments and characteristics of Kulintang Ensemble, distinguish the different musical elements of Kulintang Ensemble in relation to its cultural and geographical influences, and make an improvised Kulintang instrument and perform rhythmic accompaniments to selected music from Mindanao. So, our in your activity, I will flash a video. Hindi available ang video, so paparinig ko na lang sa inyo kung ano ang nasa video. Wait. Alright, this is your guide questions. So, how many instruments have you heard in the video? Yes, correct. There are 3 to 5 instruments that are presented in the video. The next one is what are the musical elements are presented in the video? Yes, Claire. Yes, it's a kulintang. Good job, everyone. The activity we did is related to our topic today. Let us now start our discussion in today's lesson. We will discuss the Kulintang Ensemble of Mindanao. Now, who can give me one instrument of Kulintang Ensemble? No idea yet? If so, give me your full attention as we discover the Kulintang Ensemble of Mindanao. So our topic for today is the Kulintang Ensemble of Mindanao. When we hear the distinct ringing sound of kulintang, we immediately think of Mindanao. Muslims, to be exact. Kulintang gradually became a Filipino musical instrument, adapting its culture to its manner of playing. The melodies from the kulintang are said to be based on ancient chants that our ancestors used to communicate. We hear it sound as if it's talking to us. So the kulintang is not exclusive to one tribe only. In fact, tribes like Maguindanao, Maranao, Tansug, Sama, Tiboli, Bilaan, Manobo, and Bagobo are only some, take note of that, only some of those groups who play kulintang. Traditionally, kulintang ensembles are composed mainly of women players. The graceful, slow, and relaxed movement of a female associate with its manner of playing. Now, there are 5 instruments of Kulintang Ensemble of Mindanao. That is the kulintang, dabakan, agong, gandingan, and banbantil. So what is kulintang? So kulintang plays the melody of the piece. It is usually composed of 8 embossed graduated gongs laid into a wooden frame. The gongs are made of brass and the beaters are made of lightweight woods for ease of playing fast and complicated pieces. The Maranaos call this instrument kolintang while the Tausugs name it kulintangan. This instrument has no defined pitch because what matters is the player's ability to follow the rhythm and to make improvisations. So that is kulintang. Next is dabakan. The dabakan, Magindanaoan term, is goblet-shaped drum. It is carved from a single chunk of wood. This is intricately designed drum is only for non-gong instruments of kulintang ensemble. Thin and long rattan sticks are used as beater to play the steady beat of the piece. Usually its drum head is made of goat skin. The Maranaos calls dibakan. So that is dibakan. So let's proceed to agong. So agong is the biggest gong. Take note, it is the biggest gong in the ensemble. If we compare the timbre between agong and kulintang, agong has low pitch sound like kulintang has high pitch quality of sound due to its small size. The agong may be compared to the bass section or orchestra or a band. So that is agong. So next one, we go to gandigan. Gandigan. The gandigan is also called talking gongs because traditionally they are used to tell messages. It is composed of 4 hanging slim-bossed gongs arranged from low-high pitch starting from the player's left hand. Each pair of gongs are hung facing each other. Take note of that. They are facing each other. So the last one is the banbandir. So banbandir, this gong is a timekeeper of ensemble. It acts as the conductor of the music. So, do you have any questions or concern about the topic we discussed? Oh, if you say so, I am going to ask questions and you can just raise your hand if you know the answer. So first question is what other tribe uses kumintang? Very good, Sean. The Magindanaoan, Maranao, Tausug, Sama, Tiboli, Balaan, Manobo, and Bagobo are the tribes who are using kumintang. So who usually play kumintang? Very good, Claire. Women's are usually play kumintang. So what are the 5 instruments of kulintang ensemble of Mindanao? Yes, Mark J. Very good. It is kulintang, dabakan, agong, gandingan, and bambantil. So what do you call of the kulintang ensemble instrument that is goblet-shaped drum? Very good, Sean. It is dabakan. So how about the instrument that is also called talking gong? Yes, Maria? Very good. The gandingan is instrument that is also called a talking gong. Excellent. Another question is, what do you call an instrument that composed of 8 gongs? This is a very easy question. Yes, Kian? Very good. It's kulintang. So, what is the biggest gong in the ensemble? Very good. The agong is the biggest gong in the ensemble. So lastly, it acts as a conductor of music. Yes, it's banbandir. Very good, everyone. With this, I can say that you are now ready for your group activity. So your group activity is your activity, I should say, is my own activity, my own version of kulintang. Group yourselves into 6. Below are the instructions in making kulintang using the material listed. Craft your own version of kulintang through the following instructions. Materials needed is 8 empty bottles, water, pieces of wood as a bitter. So direction, make your own kulintang from the bottles. Fill the bottles with water and with level enough to make it sound different from each other. Arrange the bottles accordingly to pitch highest to lowest, and using the song Itadyak by Maan Kuwa as the base song for your performance. Make appropriate rhythmic pattern for kulintang that will enhance the arrangements of the song. Number 5 is applying the proper way of playing the kulintang. Play your improvised instrument as if you are a kulintang ensemble. Take note, me as your teacher is a facilitator will give you schedule for online performance. So hindi na siya online performance kasi next week naman is we have our face to face, so you can just perform it face to face, okay? Thank you so much everyone. God bless you. God bless us all.